Large language models are impressive for their conversational skills, but there's a shift happening in AI. Agentic AI is on the rise, emphasizing the need for models that excel in repetitive and specialized tasks. Small language models, or SLMs, are emerging as a more efficient and economical solution for these scenarios. Combining SLMs for narrow tasks with LLMs for complex reasoning creates a balanced AI ecosystem. However, there are barriers to adopting SLMs, including misconceptions about their capabilities. The authors propose a conversion method to transition from LLMs to SLMs effectively. Shifting even partially to SLMs can lead to significant operational and economic benefits. Practical recommendations include prioritizing SLMs for cost-effective deployments. Designing modular systems and fine-tuning SLMs can enhance their ability to specialize quickly.